Yo, 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 everybody just arrived to Uluwatu to single fin area. Show you some the most beautiful cliffs and the vibes in whole entire Bali Island. Check this out, already you can hear and feel it. Yes, you're right, if you are looking for the most beautiful cliff, ocean views, surfer and very hippie vibe with the old reggae music, definitely this is the place for you. Unfortunately, it's a lot of construction ongoing on this legendary spot. I'm gonna get down and I'm gonna show you as much as I can. So there is the one new restaurant, La Terraza. Every restaurant in Bali has to start with the La. I don't know why they are copying it, but this is it. There is the fancy villa up there, there is the single fin up there, over there, and everywhere is just the construction. I don't know what's actually really happened here, if somebody bought this place or there is like a agreement with everybody who own these places as they have to refurbish or something, but it's the huge construction zone for some reason, and the works doesn't work very optimistic on Friday afternoon. Everybody already go home. Unfortunately, there is a lot of stairs. Keep it in mind, I'm still on the halfway and the stairs are a little bit spooky like, but you have to get down for the most beautiful views. So going now. Here is like a little bar. Somebody left the surfboard. Here you go, you can enjoy. But it's too hot for me to sit anywhere. And then the ladies, massage ladies here for the surfers, and the local vendors selling the merchandises only for Uluwatu. They have a nice hats actually with the monkey and everything, some tourists. And overall the views are like this one. Somebody's over there even, and sunset gonna be shortly. Actually, this Uluwatu hat with the monkey is cool. Still a little bit of the hippie backpacker vibes here, surfer vibes, when you have a warungs where you could get cheap bintang and nasi goreng. Something still left, but I don't know, I'm afraid what's going on upstream. And yeah, and that's the views. Overall, this is like a surfer village with the hippie vibes, but literally everywhere is the construction zone right now. There's not much going on actually. Most of the things are just digging, like under the construction, but the surfer is still going, so cool. 360. Some surfers going on, some places are open with the stars. It's like an extremely huge construction zone. I don't know what's going on here, what sort of agreement and deals are made here. But yeah, and also the photographers for the surfers, all of them, they're gone. Only the surf shop is left. That's about the surfing village, surfer zone. And now you have to go down if you would like to get to the beach, Sulaban Beach. That was the name long time ago, but it's already, But still some happy tourists and trying to get down. I'm still thinking about that, but I'm gonna get there. And also the surfer. Imagine they going also holding the surfboards and everything. And look where I'm standing actually, it's so high. The name was there, but it's totally, forgotten, and the beach is down there. And this is overall vibe. Looks like this one. And there is the painter. To be honest, I'm not really feeling I really wanna do it. I'm not doing it for my pleasure, but I'm gonna do it for you to show you what is down there. Not so many people, but the sunset from the bottom probably is very beautiful. Some more surfers are going up. I really have a huge respect for them, they really want to do it. And overall, this is it down there on the beach. I'm gonna get there. Only 2-3 stars selling something, and few tourists and mostly surfers, and beautiful cave structure actually. That's the main iconic beach zone here with these rocks and cliffs formations. It's a beautiful place in general. It's a little bit hard access, but once you get here, it's beautiful without any doubts. That's, you have to agree with me. Just simply to get here is the killer. The stairs are killer, and also you have to be really careful. If you are not in the good conditions, don't even try. And overall, this is it. That's the beach and the beautiful sunset. Gonna be very soon. I also wanna show you behind the cliffs. There is also a very nice spot, but I'm not sure if the wave allow me to do it. And honestly, I'm always when I'm here, I'm always afraid that some rock gonna fall down and gonna kill me. I don't know why, and I don't know why I'm thinking about this one right now. But hopefully never gonna happen. I wanna go there. So the really cool thing is, as you can squeeze going there behind the lady, or you can squeeze here. Actually, you don't need to even squeeze here. You can just walk. I'm just gonna show you. my camera. Light condition, please work well. Oh, it's actually water coming here. Hold on, because my microphones are not waterproof. Don't wanna break them. They're $600. I'm gonna show you now. And then you have a pretty decent spot for the pictures, and there's some ladies making pictures, and also the the photographer making pictures. Some Instagram session stuff, and the surfers. Gonna get closer. Gonna show you. Beautiful, beautiful spot. And this is it. This is how does it look like. People making pictures here in the water with the big cameras, and surfers here, photo session here. Actually, this is the spot for pictures. Yeah, this is it. This is also very cool structure of the swimming pool. There is swimming pool on the top. I show you many times. It's the very low tide, so actually I can get here and show you. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. Not as I will come in here very often, but this is definitely worth to try. Also some photo session, really, really interesting. Also, you can walk here a little bit, squeezing. Actually, be careful. This is super, super sharp. Once you hit this one, your head is done. So very be careful with this one. And you can walk like this one and find the photographers here, for example. And you're gonna walk like this one. Ooh, here we go. And then you can find actually another secret beach. Or hidden actually on the bottom of the cliff, like this one, and there is the bar as well. So this particular spot is really, really cool and very impressive. One of my favorite spots. Not so long ago, very hidden spots in whole entire Bali. Now you can find some people, but because of maybe it's hard to get there, or maybe because not many people know, it's still quiet and enjoyable. So last shot from this magnificent place, also some people sitting under the cliff, so you can enjoy the shed. There is no sellers, also many here, so better brings your own drinks. For me, that's it. I'm going back. Now I need to find a way how to get out. This is one, but there's water. And maybe here, but there is water as well. I have a shoe. So yeah, that's the problem. Honestly, I nearly got a heart attack. I thought it's the bloody snake, but that's only the pipe. Wow. They hate snakes. Okay, I'm going out from here, that way. Okay, but that's actually cool. You're going through the rocks like this one, a little bit of adventure. Very cool place. Here you go, this is the rocks, cliffs, and yeah, just be careful of your head, very short. So many models, or well, wannabe models, Instagrammers, influencers making pictures, and the last shot of the sunset. Damn, I made to the top. Whew. It's pretty actually hard. Luckiest is a dry season, pretty cool wind coming from the coast of Australia or something like that. However you call it. Because in other eyes, I couldn't make it. Anyways, gonna go back to the top. This is very nice spot. That's the massage ladies, the one of the bars. And you have a top of the cliff where you're standing. There's the private place where is the swimming pool and everything, one of the bars. I was exactly down there and I was climbing underneath this cliff and all of this. And this is the main beach actually, so this is it. Sunset gonna be beautiful for sure. Back to the top. So tiring and so sweaty as you can see, but if you don't want to go down as I made it, you can just go to the bar. It's called Single Fin, and you can see everything from the top of the cliff just having a beer. The bar obviously is full with the international visitors, expats, tourists, domestic tourists, locals, local tourists, however you call it. If you know what I mean. It's just full, and more people coming, but mostly they coming to the bar. And I also showed you the bar million of times, so maybe not on today's occasion. But this is it. This is the situation. Single Fin Bali, middle of June 2023. And little zone to show you. This is full, no space at all for even having a peaceful beer. This is it. Normally it's also quite a lot of monkeys here, and there was some construction of the building, but it's totally gone. Like I said, there's a lot of new construction and development in Single Fin area. A lot. Trying to cool down myself. Also taxi service and motorbike parking, everything. Trying to cool down myself. And I just realized This is probably last time when you can visit this place with the hippie vibe and the surfer vibe and the hippie vibe in general, as we all know, because it's obviously just huge construction zone everywhere. And I'm afraid to say that, hopefully I'm wrong, but this place is never gonna be the same. It's gonna be everything fancy. There will be so many nice fancy bars, restaurants, probably also expensive. So no more hippie vibes for the hippies, no more backpacker vibes, no more surfer vibe, maybe surfer vibes as well, but everything just fancy and expensive. This is what I'm thinking. However, it's gonna be how it's gonna be. Is it good? Is it bad? You can let me know in the comment section. What do you think about the current status of this place? See you tomorrow.